I'm gonna show you how to post photos and videos from your PC to your Instagram page. First, you want to log on to Instagram from your PC. You can either, once you log on, you can either hit F12 or right click and check the inspect. And once you do that, you want to go here to the top right and make sure that this is highlighted or it's blue. Then you want to either go right here and reload or hit F5 to refresh. Once you do that, now you have your mobile view. So the only thing you have to do is go here, hit your plus, go to your desktop and upload a photo. So then you could do whatever you want. You could edit your photo. You could turn it different ways, 90 degrees. And you could resize it right here. And once it's done, you just go up here to the top and hit next. Once you hit next, you could type in the information you want. And once you do that, only thing you have to do is just hit share. And that's all to it. So now you're able to post from your computer to your Instagram page.